let's get into the anatomy of a strong email. Before you have them get in the email, they have to open it. So you have to make sure that all of the information that they're going to see before they open the email entices them to do so. Like I mentioned before, you can use your name or your company name for that from line, depending on your business and your goals. So if you are really the face of your business and you've built yourself up as a thought leader or an expert, maybe you're a doctor, maybe you're a lawyer or something like that, and you're operating as the sole doctor or lawyer of the firm or practice, then you might want to lead with your name. If your company has a lot of people that are working under it and your brand name is more recognizable, then you might want to go with the company name. Then your subject lines are going to want to be 30 to 50 characters long. You don't want them to be too long to where they're getting cut off. They want them to be goal focused based on what that email is about and what somebody would need to know in order to open the email. You want them to be engaging, be personalized if you can. So whenever you're collecting emails, I always make it a point to always make the first name a field that you're collecting along with the email address so that you can personalize those emails once you send them. Test using emojis. Again, I say test because typically emojis help to increase open rates, but you never know with your own particular business, so you always want to test. And then you can also include pre-header text. So you can see that here, this darker text here is a subject line, and then this lighter text underneath is pre-header text. So it's not as prominent as your subject line, but it does give a little bit of extra context. So you can ask a question, appeal to a need, something like that, connect with the recipient.